Hi there, my lovelies. Chef Jana here. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we're going to make a 5-minute stir fry with vegetables and my beloved Seitan. I'm not gonna say Seitan because you guys gonna laugh at me. I learn, you know, so sometimes I learn. And super easy with the things that you already have in your fridge. And I have a selection of very nice vegetables here, all sort of small pieces that I had laying on my fridge, so I get it together every time I have this kind of situation and make a stir fry. But before we start, you know, I'm gonna say, you already know, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video, because it helps a lot for this channel to grow. And let's go to the recipe. First of all, we're going to start making a sauce. 2-ingredient sauce, which is soy sauce. Yes, because I love it. And can be tamari, which is the same thing but gluten-free. And these French Dijon mustard. I like this one better, but if you have a regular mustard, so just do it. Stir it. If you would like, you can add a little bit of vegetable broth just to give a little bit more moist to it. That's actually what I'm gonna do. So it's not a 2-ingredient, it's a 3-ingredient, but that's this, the third one is optional. If you don't have vegetable broth, vegetable bouillon, and let's go to the wok situation. And we start by adding vegetable oil, not olive oil. It can be water also. And immediately you add the seitan. And then you just deal with your wok drama here. A little bit of hissing, a little bit of smoking, but that's the whole fun of it. All right, the seitan is ready. We just want to seal it. And then you remove it. And now you add the garlic. And now that the garlic is fragrant, you add the vegetables. And again, you keep stirring it. You can add some chili paste. Now you add your sauce. And let it cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes in, you add your seitan. Ready! Look at this beauty. Now I have here a bowl of plain white rice. So we're going to add a little bit of the stir fry on the top. I don't know why I'm talking like that. The smells a little bit Asian, but it also smells homemade and comforting and delicious. And oh, I forgot. Add green onions. And here we go for the taste test, because the smells, like I said, delicious. Oh, Mmm. Ay, beautiful. Ay, beautiful. Super, super fast, super uncomplicated. Few ingredients, happy days. This is it for today, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. It's going to be linked down below. And don't forget to check on my merch, also linked down below. And if you want to know how to support this channel and help it to grow, you can check on my Patreon over there. And to my patrons, thank you guys so much. You are phenomenal. And I see you next time. Have a great week. Bye-bye. Oh my God. So good. And the fact that I didn't cook so much, only 5 minutes, made the onions just the way I like it, crunchy.